Arjun Gupta, anxious thinking of. Did you so finally? Do you how many branches do you have?
Okay, I had 2 branches, and this year I'm opening 2 more branches.
But that's the same story I heard last year.
No, last year I had 2 branches, and I was in the mindset of should I continue in that business? Is that business right for me or not?
Correct.
Then we had expanding horizons.
Yeah.
Then I came up with a deal saying that like if I have 40 new children every year, then it'll work for me. So you said that then go ahead and do it.
So has it become more profitable than it was these 2 centers already?
The thing is, my revenue for the whole year will be generated in 2 months. So already the admissions were done for me. The last year, April and May is the time for me to generate the revenue for the whole year, where the admissions happen. So we don't get admissions in between, Jan.
So what do you do the entire year?
Run the show. I mean to say, what do you do the entire year, man?
In your marketing and sales, and I know you do the delivery, I understand.
Because I was in the mindset of should I be in
You
that
need to
business
you
or
need to
not?
get audience. You need to gain audience. You have to
Yeah.
gain audience. You don't need to get students. You need to get audience. You get the distinction.
Okay.
Do you get the distinction?
Yes.
What?
Like the number of brand awareness that I have to build.
Yeah, people have to follow you for educational content.
Yeah.
Get audience, build audience. So your highest quality of audience are people who read your newsletters, emails.
Okay.
The weakest quality of audience are people who follow you on your social media. Okay. If you use social media or paid advertisement, finally your agenda is to get them as audience who read your newsletters.
Okay.
And on average, a good business should aim for about $1 per month from one subscriber in your newsletter.
Okay.
So if you have 10,000 subscribers, you're looking at $10,000 per month from them as revenue.
Okay.
Now that might come, in different forms, but you have to get your mindset into you cannot have your business systems to grow your business operating only for 2 months.
Got it.
Okay, so what I gave you is an example of one idea. But what I'm saying is you have to be obsessed with aaj kya karna for the business.
Yes.
Okay, now, but do you have the freedom? Is operations taken care? Is
Yes,
delivery
yes,
taken care?
yes,
You have, yeah. So that's good. So every day is a marketing day. You have to look at it that way.
Yes.
Yeah.